loud, you know the one. You told me go deeper, put it all in. Knowing damn well you can take it. Now she making ugly ass face.
No, I was ready, huh?
Yeah.
Hey there, so welcome back to another video. It's me, girl, Briana Marie, and we back with another Rate Me Part 2. So, it's Lovelywholesale, but this time I got the right size, I think. So I got all smalls, and babe out there rate me.
Yeah, it ain't gonna be easy.
Boy, yes it is. Right now, what I got on is this outfit from Fashion Nova, but this ain't nothing. I'm about to go try on the first outfit, and I'm gonna come out here so he can rate the first one. You ready?
Yeah. So I gotta cover my eyes this time.
Hell yeah. Cause you gonna look. You can't look at it. Yeah, you can cover them like that. Don't do this. Like you was doing last time.
I can open up?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, that shit hot. And it's your favorite color.
Hell yeah.
I know you like this shit. And you already matching this shit with the
eyeshadow.
makeup. Yeah,
Hell yeah.
Did that shit.
I knew
You planned this one?
Yeah.
You planned that one. You saw this one already.
Yeah. I ain't tried none of these clothes on either.
Turn around, look. Yeah, I like it. Get this a 10.
10.
Yeah. It must know you like this lime green.
No, I picked it. I had to pick it.
Okay. That's nice.
Hell yeah, that's some chill shit.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. We get this a 9.
Yeah. Why you give it a 9? Cause it's like.
Cause they all can't be 10.
They can't. Why not?
No, I mean, I love it. Go crazy. On some relaxed, chill shit. Chill day. You know what I'm saying?
You like what you like about it?
I like this bunny right
Yeah,
here.
I do too. Yeah.
I mean this.
That shit.
This
Yeah.
teddy
And
bear,
on the
teddy
thing
bear
too.
bunny.
Heck yeah.
Go crazy. I got a shirt just like that.
For real?
But it ain't
seen
sparkly like that. Cause it's in the bottom of it. Shit, you know.
Hey.
I just don't want anything.
Yeah, I like this one.
Yeah, I like this. You give it a 9 though, cause we can't do all 10s, even though you be wearing it well. 10.
You can't sing it.
Freaky. 10. Can I go above 10? Can you wear that light? Can you leave it at the light?
Hell yeah. Then if I leave in the morning, I ain't gonna have you gonna give me your clothes.
You already know. You know, 'cause you can't be showing. Can't be showing other motherfuckers, you know.
What is with thong? With some
with,
nipple covers.
With me, like
a thong and some nipple
like
covers.
So what?
Nipple covers.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, some cute sparkly ones.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, this is cute though.
That shit hot. That shit.
Hell yeah, this is hot.
Shit got me hot.
I don't know if this was supposed to be a cover up or what. It's actually cute.
It is. I mean, you know, I
no,
saw.
I didn't.
I saw
I
it.
didn't know you was.
He
gonna open his ass.
My eyes was closed and I saw it. That's how that shit thing.
No,
That shit right. I had to dance earlier.
Oh, you did? Oh, Chris Brown?
Yep.
You learned it for real?
I'm gonna show you later.
Oh.
I was in that motherfucker practicing.
You lying. You ain't had time to practice. Okay.
Come on, you picked all these 10s, huh?
No.
You took your time too, huh?
Yeah, but I was like,
you were supposed to pick like this shit too.
Hell yeah, me too. Let's go with the eyeshadow too.
How you just come into my life? Shine like this. It look like fire. That's how I would describe this.
Yeah, these nice. In
fire.
Smalls,
You
definitely we get a small for every size. You can't even see me.
Nah, let me stop. I'm doing the most.
It's okay.
No, I'm just playing. Yeah, I like this.
I like this too.
Yeah.
I definitely need a picture in this. Yeah.
Okay. I like this. Did I rate it already?
No, you didn't.
10.
You say 10?
Love flyer flame. It's flame. It's hot.
10.
10. It's like
What?
like a campfire or something.
It do.
I just need some chocolate, some graham crackers. Smells.
Head ass.
S'mores.
Boy.
I need s'mores.
Why you? I look fat that way.
That's what. Hold on. Let me catch the angle.
No.
So too small.
It is, ain't it?
Okay. You trying to do my Burberry?
Yep. That's all I did. And the pants. You know they're small. They right here is too big.
Yeah, I like the pants. This top too small.
It is.
Yeah.
It would be a cute outfit if it was my right size.
I'm gonna go with it. 8.
8. That's
Yeah.
still good though.
You want any smaller?
Hell yeah. I don't want to be able to fit
You
it.
want to be able to fit it.
It's
Yeah.
my scarf.
You know what I'm saying? It need more and it need less. More up top.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, we be killing shit. That's your thing. Yeah, I like it. You know?
Yeah, me too. It's simple, but
Yeah, it's simple, but it ain't in the back still. I like the little.
yeah, me too.
Like it's trying to it's like it's trying to twist up or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. It fits you well.
You do though.
Yeah. You make it go crazy though. Yeah. You go with a 10 for this too.
Dang. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hey, you pick some hot shit.
I did though.
Yeah.
And the size.
Yeah.
Like, let me get a small.
That's like 5 bottles every night, whatever you like, cause I do things, and you know my niggas keep that thing.
I like that too. And it got some, and it's the bell bottoms.
Yeah, that's what I said. I like it. It's just that I probably would have to go get it on trip. So I could do like that.
Nope, you just need to eat some more. No.
No. No. No, I don't.
Nah, I like it. I like it.
Yeah.
You go with a 9. Still.
Really?
Even though it's loose.
Oh, you like it. I can't even see my bell bottom.
No.
Heck yeah. See it.
That's why I like it though. It's different. Like I ain't never seen
Yeah, it is
nobody with
different.
nothing like that.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna give it a 9 because it's not fitting her
Right.
the way that she would like it to fit.
Thank you.
And with
What, the purse?
yeah.
Hell no, this real.
Just peep the pocket up there, it's right there.
Hell
That shit
yeah.
high. I give it a 10.
Hey, yeah, this is real cute. I can dress this up. Like I could put some some blue heels with this,
Yeah.
with the purse, and then maybe a belt or
Show 'em
something.
the cuff.
Oh,
Yeah.
heck yeah, this cute.
It's like my favorite shirt.
Huh?
It's like my favorite shirt. I only wore mine once.
Yeah,
I'm gonna wear it
it's cute.
again.
Okay.
Yeah, I like it. I'll give it a 10. And it's like a dress.
It is like a dress shirt.
Yeah. Kind you pick some hitters.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said.
Yeah.
That's what I said. When I was looking at them, I was like, okay, I don't know.
You gotta pick something that ain't as nice. Like old girl off Kim Possible.
Oh, Kim.
Nah, the villain.
Oh,
Yeah. Come on.
in the south.
Let me see the whole thing. Why she do us like that? It's hard. I wanna be like, that's a 5. You know what I'm saying? I want a 5 of motherfucking outfit. I like this too though.
I do too.
Yeah.
It's real nice. I like the little split right here. I mean the little up, down. Mm.
Nope, this is like a 6. No, okay. Bro. Let's turn all the way around. Let me see all the colors. What is like a diamondback snake.
Oh, that's what the name. That's the name of it.
That's what I think. I think that's what like this pattern is.
You smart.
Yeah.
Cause I would have just said snake.
Yeah, then on the back, but let's see it again. Yeah, that shit hopping. I'm gonna go with a 9 though.
Dang. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, my outfit's good. The only rating that was bad was 8. I mean, that wasn't even bad though.
Yeah. You pick some hitters. Like you gotta chill down.
No, this nice though. I thought it was gonna be big though.
Nah, you need some loose fitting clothes so I don't have to be fighting all these niggas all the time. Cause they wanna do too much.
I like my clothes to fit though. Oh yeah. Yeah. Which one? At the club?
Yeah. Take it off. How much longer we got?
You got one more outfit.
One more.
Yeah.
Then you can put this one back on. Just so I can take it.
This one or the white?
We gonna say the white. We gonna say the white.
For something special?
Yeah, something special.
Okay.
My name was shining in my face. All I wanted is you. So amazing, so good.
Nice. You know how I feel about all white.
Uh-huh. You got on now in the colors.
Mm-hmm.
Heck yeah.
This shit hot too. It's similar to
It's similar to what you got
bear.
on right now. Yeah, it is similar to the bear.
Yeah.
But this one don't have pockets.
Yeah.
Just
It's
like
like
this.
the
This
bear.
wrong. With some white ones.
And then it's like, yeah. What you know about
What's some sense? But boy, cause you wear them all the same.
all white. Yeah, I like this too. Turn around and see the whole fit. Yeah. Left cheek, right cheek. 10. I like all white.
10.
Yeah. And then you can put on them in any color because you got the rainbow
Right.
going on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What I say?
10.
Yeah, it's 10.
Dang, all my outfits was basically
9
like
to
9 to
10.
10. And then like 1 was 8.
Yeah.
What the fuck am I about to say?
Peace up, A-Town down.
No, that's not. Hey. He gave me all 10s. Well, 9s and 10s. One was an 8. Everything was lit. It definitely was lit. If you think about ordering, get a small because large is like a extra large. A medium is like a large, and a small is like a medium, basically. Because yeah, they run real big. So just beware y'all sizes. But anyways, yeah, this rating was good though. I didn't even think that everything was, because like I said, I saw the clothes, but I never tried them on. Only because I wanted to try them on in front of him. So I got his reaction and mine too, because I didn't know that all these clothes, basically all the clothes was like lit as fuck. So yeah. Don't forget to go check them out in the description bar below. Tell them that I sent you. Definitely will leave codes and stuff if I have a code. Check the description bar below. And until then, comment which outfit you like the best. And I'll see you guys on the next video.
Next time I might be picking motherfucking clothes.
Oh, that'll be lit.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, that'll be lit.
You
If
wear
it...
the clothes.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good video though.
Yeah, because you
That's why I
pick all
said.
hitters. You can't pick all hitters.
You trying to pick ugly clothes for me?
You gonna have to try them on and see.
Yeah, because your taste might be different than mine. So yeah, that'll be a good video. Let me know if y'all want to see that.